So I won a prize here. I won this 500 milliliter thermos cup from Stuff with Cletus on his 500 subscriber giveaway. And he sent a couple of stickers, so we'll put those up on the board for you guys as well. And we'll go from there. I also got some stickers in the mail from Ian Wygath. And he sent me Cousin Ralph stickers as well. So finally I got those up, and those will be going up on the board as well, guys. And finally, last but not least, I got a Christmas card from Valerie Reese. And she sent that in, and she mailed this Christmas card. There it is. December 9th is when she mailed it. And I got it a couple of days ago, and that was it. So it's like, that's crazy, man. That's over a month. Yeah, well over a month, almost 2 months before I got this card. But I got my Christmas card. It was late, but I thank her anyway. And I'll show you guys all the stickers I got put up on the board, and we'll go from there. Alrighty then, for those of you who are watching still, last couple of stickers would have been from Magnetic Granny, Stuff with Cletus, and Ian Wygath stickers. And those would have been the last 3 of them that I got. And yeah, you guys should see I hope I gave everybody shout outs now. I believe I have. So that's the last sticker board here. And I still got room for more stickers if anybody wants to send them. But from my family wall of fame, DriveShaftDrew here. Just trying to get it all in the picture for you, which I can't. I can't get the whole wall in the picture, but that's all from you guys. I really thank you all about that. So anybody wants to send me stickers or flags, if you send flags, I take 11" by 17, I believe it is, if I remember right. Yeah, the flags, and then I don't need any big flags like that, but that one is one that got sent to me. And all the plates, I collect license plates as well, so you guys can see all that. And yeah, everything that's ever been sent to me, I still have, guys. Coffee signs and all. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for sending what you do send. And I'm going to make this a short video and cut it off here because I still got to get the last spark plug in here. I got one more spark plug to put in. I got to put this fender back together. So I'll cut you guys off here, and I'm going to get back to work. I'm sorry I haven't been making much on YouTube videos, and I should have made one on this, but I just haven't had time because I've been busy. So I'll talk to you guys later, and I'll have a good one. Love you all, and we'll see you in the next one. So guys, I didn't make a video on this, but if you ever have to change the spark plugs on a 2003 Ford Ranger.
No gas in it. You see there, Scooter? Things are the simplest things first.
I'll tell you right now, this side here, not bad, you can get to it. But the passenger side of the truck, I'll tell you right now.
No gas in it. You see there, Scooter? Things are the simplest things first.
Like, you get in there to try, you can't even see the spark plugs, let alone get to them. The only way to get to them is rip out the inner fender well, jack it up, take your tire off, and then you can see the plugs in there at the back. But even that, you got to work to get to them. There, you can see one plug there, and there's one way up under there, and then up under there you can get one. But even that, it's a job and a half. I didn't do a video on this, but I just thought I'd tell you guys, anybody who has a 2003 Ford Ranger, if you got to change your plugs, you're looking at 4 to 6 hour job, just to let you know. I'll add this clip into something else. Just thought I'd show you guys that.
No gas in it. You see there, Scooter? Things are the simplest things first.